Hey, it's Debbie Sardone, and I am inviting you to a group strategy session with me. You can dial in on your phone, or there's my phone. You can dial in on your phone or log in on your computer, and we will be live as a group where you can ask me anything you want about the Cleaning Business Fundamentals program. I will take as much time as needed to answer all of your questions regarding the structures, the student requirements, what you have to do to participate, how I get the results that I get, any specific questions you have about the results that students have gotten who have taken the Cleaning Business Fundamentals program. You can ask questions about the cost, about how long it would take to become successful, and just what's required of you to participate in the program. So join me for a live group strategy session where you can come and ask anything you want about my program, and I will answer to the best of my ability. And if you're shy, you can just listen in and let other people ask the questions and listen for the answers. So click the link below, register for this free group strategy session, and join me live. Get all your questions answered so you can make a decision about whether or not this program is the perfect fit for you.